Hello everyone, today I want to introduce our 180-degree panoramic socket camera. Connect power first, and it will take 30 seconds to start the camera. When you hear the voice 2 beeps and the red indicator light flashing, it means waiting for Wi-Fi connecting. Before first connecting, you need to use scanning tool to scan the QR code on the package to download the latest app, 360 EYES. Open the app, register and log in. Click the plus symbol on the upper right corner of mobile interface. Choose wireless mode. And next. Choose the right Wi-Fi and write the correct password. And next. Turn off your mobile voice. Connecting. When you hear the voice camera ready and the green indicator light flashing, it means connected successfully. And you can name the camera you want. Click the camera in camera list to view real-time video. And here are some functions include remote control LED light, voice monitor, screenshot, two-way voice, video record. And here you can change the pixels to HD or SD. Click here to change the settings. You can relent the camera. And here is the LED control mode. There are 3 ways. First is manual mode. Manual mode means you can turn on or turn off the LED light, decided by yourself. And the second is auto mode. Auto mode means the camera will turn on or turn off the LED light according to the brightness in outer environment. And the third is timing mode. It means you can set the LED light according to the time you want. And here is the indicator light switch. You can turn on or turn off. And the final is the motion detection switch. If you want to use this function, you must put micro SD card in camera before connecting.